Good afternoon, dear learners. Myself, Yogesh Kanade. Our today's topic is antifungal agents. Before that, we will understand the meaning of mycosis. The human fungi parasitic relationship results in mycotic illnesses. Especially, it involves the infection of your skin or mucous membrane of body orifices. Whenever a person comes in contact with a fungi, it creates a superficial invasion of the skin or mucous membrane, resulting into mycotic illnesses, or it is also known as mycosis. Now all of us know that fungi has different shapes and sizes. Some fungi are large, while some of them are minute parasites, as well as some of them are saprophytic cells. Depending upon some basic differences, fungi are classified into four classes. First one, Phagomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Dendromycetes. If the fungi is having a shape as like algae, then it is called as Phagomycetes. If it is having a sac-like structure, then Ascomycetes. If it looks like mushroom, then Basidiomycetes. And if it has a shape as like a dendron, then Dendromycetes. But fungi differs from a algae because fungi is having a photosynthetic ability, while in algae there is absence of photosynthetic ability. It differs from protozoa by the lack of motility, possession of cell walls, etc. It differs from bacteria by greater size. Fungi is having a larger size as compared to bacteria. The movement of fungi is less as compared to protozoa. Fungi do not have a photosynthesis ability as compared to your algae. These fungal diseases are called as mycosis. These mycotic illnesses or infections are mainly classified into three classes. First one, dermatophytosis, second, candidiasis, and third one, that is saprophytosis. We will start with the first one, that is dermatophytosis. Dermatophytosis is a skin infection caused by Trichophyton, Microsporum, or Epidermophyton. In human beings, dermatophytosis mycotic infection, it is caused by three species of fungi are responsible. They are named as Trichophyton, Microsporum, and Epidermatophyton. This include superficial infections of keratinoid tissues like hairs, nails, stratum corneum, etc. Disease caused by Trichophyton is also known as athlete's foot, that is infection of foot, while in case of skin and hair, it develop a red patches and itching of skin is going to take place. जर स्किन इन्फेक्शन असेल, ज्या ठिकाणी इन्फेक्शन झालंय त्या ठिकाणी रेड पॅच डेव्हलप होईल आणि त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला खाज सुटणार, दॅट इज इचिंग विल बी एक्सपिरियन्स बाय अ पेशंट. Second one, that is candidiasis. Candidiasis also affects the skin and mucous membrane. It is caused by Candida albicans. These infections develop in the mouth, bowel, or vagina. They are known as local infections. And last one, that is saprophytosis. Saprophytosis means the fungal infection produced by microorganisms developed from dead animals. जे ॲनिमल्स मरतात त्या ॲनिमल्सवर जे काही मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझमची ग्रो होते त्या मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझममुळे जे फंगल इन्फेक्शन होतं ह्युमन बिंग्समध्ये त्याला आपण सॅप्रोफायटॉसिस म्हणतो. दे फर्स्ट इन्फेक्ट द स्किन or poorly vascularized areas. Poorly vascularized areas are example your nails, hairs. These are known as poorly vascularized areas. From this skin or purely vascularized area, they penetrate into lymphatic and pulmonary system, causing a systemic infection. It involves fungal infections of lungs, meninges, bones, etc. Antifungal drugs or antifungal agents. The drugs which are used in the treatment of fungal infections or mycosis of hair, mucous membrane, nails, skin, lymphatic and pulmonary system are known as antifungal drugs. जे ड्रग्स आपण फंगल इन्फेक्शनच्या ट्रीटमेंटमध्ये यूज करतो त्याला आपण अँटीफंगल ड्रग्स किंवा अँटीफंगल एजंट्स म्हणतो. अँड मॅक्झिममली इफ यू सी इन द मार्केट in the form of cream, salicylic acid cream is available. In the form of tablet you can use miconazole, iconazole. These are the famous drugs which are used in treatment of fungal infections. Mostly drugs are applied topically in the form of ointments, creams, liniments and suspensions, and very few antifungal drugs are administered orally or parentally. Examples: miconazole, iconazole, antibiotics like griseofulvine, amphotericin B, etc. Classification: first class, fatty acids. Example: propionic acid, undicyclinic acid. Second class, pyrimidine derivatives. Example: flucytosine. Third class, imidazole derivatives. Example: miconazole, iconazole, clotrimazole. The next, amidine derivatives. Example: stilbamidine, hydroxystilbamidine. The next, that is phenol derivatives or phenol compounds, salicylic acid. Then thiocarbonylic acid derivatives, example tolnaftate. And antibiotics, griseofulvine, amphotericin B, nystatin, haemycin, etc. This is the classification of your antifungal drugs. There are total 6 drugs for your study: undicyclinic acid, tolnaftate, griseofulvine, amphotericin B, nystatin and haemycin. In this video we are going to see only first 2 drugs, that is undicyclinic acid and tolnaftate, and the remaining 4 drugs that is belonging to the class of antibiotics that we will see in the chapter of antibiotics, that is griseofulvine, amphotericin B, nystatin and haemycin. Undicyclinic acid. If you see the structure of anticyclinic acid, this is your structure. If you count the number of carbon atoms which are present in the structure, there are total 10 carbon atoms are present. Therefore, according to the chemical name, it will be 10 undicyonic acid. Chemical name कहाँ है? 10 undicyonic acid. Properties: it is white or pale yellow crystalline mass or colorless or pale yellow liquid characteristic odor. It is freely soluble in chloroform, in ethanol, in ether, but practically insoluble in water. Stability storage, it is affected by air, light and heat, therefore stored in tightly closed light resistant containers at a temperature between 8 to 15 degrees Celsius. Uses, it is used in treatment of fungal infection. It is also used in treatment of psoriasis. Official preparation, zinc undicyclinate ointment, which is official in Indian Pharmacopoeia. Brand names, Mycota, Tinifax are the trade names. Then the second drug, that is tolnaftade. Tolnaftade occurs as white to creamy white crystalline powder, odorless. It is freely soluble in chloroform and in ether, practically insoluble in water. Stability storage, it is stored in well closed containers. Uses, it is used in treatment of various mycotic illnesses or fungal infections which has been caused by Epidermophyton, Microsporum and Candida albicans. It is available in the form of topical solution, topical aerosol, cream, gel, powder, etc. Brand names, Mycil, Multidrum are the trade names. And the last four drugs I have already told you, that is Griseofulvin, Amphotericin B, Nystatin and Haemycin, we are going to see in the chapter or in the topic, that is antibiotics. Thank you.